Hi guys, my name is Esther and I'm a STEM ambassador and I'm here to show you how to make a DIY bouncy ball with cornstarch and water. For those of you guys who have purchased the STEM box, you will need bag 5 in this experiment. And for those of you guys who are joining just from home, you will need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. So I have, and feel free to pause the video, but I'm just going to continue. So first 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm just going to put it in a microwavable bowl because you will need a microwave for this experiment. That's 1, and here's 2. So 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I already did 2 tablespoons of water in this cup, so I'm just going to pour it in. And so after you put it, pour in the water, you can mix it, and you should mix it until the mixture is really watery, and it should look like milk. It might be hard to mix it at first because the cornstarch does get really sticky, but after mixing it around, you should be able to mix it without resistance. It should look like milk. So it should look like water, and so now I'm going to put it into the microwave for 30 seconds. So just a little science experiment, and just a little bit of the science behind this. So the cornstarch actually dissolves in the water, and the molecules actually break apart. And so when we add heat in the microwave, the heat actually creates bonds that make the watery substance solid. And so one of the properties of this solid that we've made, it's going to be bouncy, so it's going to be a little bit more elastic than most solids. So it's done now, and we're just going to let it cool for about 2 minutes. And yeah. So this shouldn't fall out of the bowl. There should be a bit of steam, and we're going to let it cool for 2 minutes. Okay guys, so we're back now after waiting for 2 minutes. Your bouncy ball should have cooled down, and so what you want to do is just pick it up and start making it into a ball. And so a tip that I would have for you before you grab all of it is to only grab the parts that are actually wet and not as dry, because if you grab the dry parts, it will create a lot of bumps and it will create a lot of cracks as well. So you just want to roll it into a ball, and yeah, you should get a bouncy ball. And if your bouncy ball is a bit dry, so it's cracking and it just needs, it's a bit dry, you can always add a little bit of water so that you can always reshape it. And yeah, just roll the ball. And that's basically it. So now you can have like a bouncy ball. And thank you guys all for joining and watching this video. I hope you guys will have some fun. You guys can also customize these a little bit more and make it more unique by adding food coloring or glitter to your bouncy balls. And so just have fun with it. And make sure you follow us at eSTEM Ambassadors on all our social media. So please subscribe and tell us what you think about this project. So thank you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye!